Walking in another loop.
Huh? Does anybody remember visually where I started the timer?
I doubt it was 5 minutes.
We walked through here and we talked about how pretty it was.
Yeah.
I noticed the jewelweed growing with the poison ivy.
There. It is kind
Right
of
about the
Second bridge.
second bridge.
Second bridge.
Gracie says the second bridge.
Garrett.
Yeah, it was the second bridge. It was,
Garrett.
Y'all hear me?
Hey.
Yeah.
it was
She
the
says
second bridge.
Second bridge.
The second bridge. So we walked quite a ways out.
Walked about 3 minutes.
Huh?
Quite a ways yet.
3? Okay.
We're just doing a loop.
Well, we were at 0.65 when we came around that curve, so I'll tell y'all in a minute how
We're
it
gonna have to do a
was.
bit more of a mile if we reach a mile partway through this loop.
We would walk about a mile and a quarter if we go by your mom's thing. When we started it.
You okay, Dave? No, it's hard. It's hard for me.
Probably speed up.
Yeah.
Like a baby black snake, maybe.
What?
But it was a snake. Did you see it?
No.
It was only about that long, but it was slithering like
dangerous?
it was a snake.
It was?
Are black snakes dangerous?
No.
Same as like garden snakes.
They kill other snakes. You want black snakes around.
They kill other dangerous snakes, right? So it's partway through
Second
this.
bridge, 12/10 of a mile from where we started. Let's turn around at that bend.
Really? We should?
My legs start to edge.
Your legs start to ache.
Edge.
Well, but we're trying to get a mile or close to a mile. You know? It's important. 0.78.
I don't think it was black snake. I think it's a species.
0.79. It'll be almost a mile.
I don't think it was a black snake. It had a yellow ring around its neck. I think it's some species of milk snake.
Okay. You know, I saw something yellow over its head, but I thought maybe it was something rolling over.
Science.
But
I never learned about
it was
milk
for sure, baby
snakes.
snake.
Science.
It didn't move like a worm. Or look like a worm.
Where'd you
Be
see it?
mindful of that when we're walking. Just when it's just you, me, and Garrett, and sometimes Seth.
Yeah.
Don't be totally silent. They don't want to encounter you any more than you want to encounter them.
So we're down here.
I think it's a little bit back that way, but we passed it. It's into fresh.
You get easier to walk,
Like Mom said.
but we're gonna make it a full mile.
Maybe don't want to encounter as much as the same hours we don't want to encounter them.
Next week.
Yeah, no animals wild animals to be disturbed by us any more than we want to be disturbed by them.
Yep.
So, I've got 0.88 on my phone. We've walked a mile already.
Yeah.
You know?
We're walking back.
Yeah, we're almost back, so
So it won't be too bad, right?
That distance here to that bridge is 0.139. So we walked 1.039.
It's definitely been more than 3 minutes, but you know what I mean.
Keep an eye on the car. Push it in reverse. Stay out of the way, okay? Alright, you can get in.